Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the promo image of your Seamount home, as well as the access permissions of your underwater house. So to do that, you're just going to go to this button here. This is where you unlock plots. It says Seamount Management Terminal Plot unlocked. I don't know why it says that, but it just says it's like the management part of your Seamount house. And then there's the settings icon here. This is where you can add your promo image. My house doesn't really look good, so I will choose the one underwater though, this one. Save. And then you can also set the current map access to everyone, friends only, or self only. Let's just do friends only here. And let's get out to see if you're able to see the picture from land. I don't really know how to describe stuff, so I'm so sorry, you guys. Why is it taking so long to load? Even Atara. You say Atara or Atara is in the dark about the inner workings of the Mobit. What is a Mobit? Moabit. God, I'm sleepy. All right, I guess you can see it from here. Ooh, okay, we have the details here, the building material and furnitures that I've used in my Seamount home. That's pretty cool, actually. I wish the picture did a little bit more justice and it was a little bit more HD, but it's fine. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.